Good day everyone, my name is Dr. Fred Eze and welcome to the Microsoft Word application course. In this video I will introduce you to tables. Basically we will be doing a number of videos covering a number of topics, going from creating a table and we will talk about what the table is, show you what the table is like. We will create a table using a set of existing text. And you can also create a table from an Excel or Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. You can make design changes to your table. You can also format the cells in your table. And you can also align text in your table and delete a table when you don't want them. And you can also use formulas in a table. So all this we will go through on the topic tables. So in this particular video we will focus on just creating a table, so this particular topic. So to do that I will go to my practice document, and here already shown is an example of a table. A table consists of a number of cells like the small square boxes, so each box is a cell, and each cell can be identified by a cell address. For example, using the letters and the numbers. By the way, each row or column, because in a table these cells can form rows or column. So the horizontal ones are the rows. So this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. And in column these are the vertical cells. Column A, column B, column C, column D. Now in Microsoft Word you don't see the alphabet and the letters. In Microsoft Excel, which is a different package, you will see that. However, we use this to make it easier for you to understand. So for example, this cell will be with the address A1, so the column alphabet comes before the row number, and here will be D1 because it's on column D, row 1, and here will be C4, and here will be B3, so on and so forth. So with this idea, let's see how you can create a quick table. So we will create exactly the same number of rows and columns, so 4 columns and 4 rows in this table. So to do that, you go to Insert menu, you go to Tables Group, and under that you see the tables icon, and you can click the drop down arrow there. And here you can do two things. You can either immediately draw the table yourself by going to the first one. You move 4 cells to the right, and that gives you 4 columns, and on your page you can see that you're already creating that. And if you move down 4 rows, so this will give you 4 columns and 4 rows, and you can just click it and there you see. And here you notice that there's no alphabet or numbering, but you need to use that concept to identify each cell. Let's try this again by creating, I will move these ones a little bit up to make some space for another table, and I will create the same table in a different way. So here I will say insert in the tables, but instead of using this time I will go to insert table, and I will see a dialog box where I can type the number of columns I want, and here I can make it 4, and here I can increase the number of rows to 4. And when you're more familiar with Excel, with Microsoft Word, you can play with this part of it. For now it's just OK, and you can just simply click OK, and you see exactly the same table as above. So which means you can now start working with your table. So for example, you can say these are names, date of birth, so you just move to each page, and you can say address, something like that, and you can work with your table. So this is how to create a table on its own. In our next video we'll show you also how to create a table differently. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.